Bismillah. Hello, welcome. Now this class we shall see how the mouse events are handled. Here you can see the example on the screen. Now right now the mouse movement event takes place, which displays what is the position of the x and y coordinates. At this point it is 0, 0, and now when the value of x increases and here the value of y increases, mouse move is a mouse event. Likewise, if I make a left button click, then it responds to left button is single click. If I double click it, it says that left button double click. Likewise, right button double click or right button single click. How these events are handled and how we can write an application to respond to some of the mouse events. This we shall try. Start Visual C++, File, New, select the Microsoft Foundation classes application wizard, and we shall call this as mouse events. Okay. Then, as I many times said, it is a single document or multiple document or dialog based. 3 types of application we can develop. For this one I will take single document and here I select finish. And here note that a single document application generates 4 classes. One, the mainframe class, then the application class, APP application class, and one DOC document class, and one is a view class. Okay, this will take an entire lecture to discuss what is a view class, what is document, what is application, and what is a frame. Just as a beginner, you remember that this one, that is my program, executable program, is called as the application. Within the application you have this border, this menu bar, and this title bar, these icons. They are called as the frame, and whatever is inside the frame is called as view. That is whatever we see, that is the view class. And whatever we write inside and store it in the hard disk, it is called as the document class. Therefore, the contents is document, the contents appear in the view class, the view is enclosed in the frame class, and the frame is enclosed inside the application class. Therefore, these are the main classes, and each class has some events and methods. Excuse me. Yes, I was telling this is the application class, document class, view class. Most of our work we will be doing only in the view class. Okay. Now we want to respond to mouse events. Therefore, in the view class, right click and add a member variable. So one member variable we shall add of type string member variable, and we shall call it as yes. Therefore, in the view class, it has added a variable yes of type string. I require one more variable of type point. Therefore, there is one more class C point. C should be capital, P is capital, and one more variable I call it as P. Therefore, 2 variables we have declared. Now go to the class wizard. In the class name combo box, select the view class, and here in the view class object, now select some mouse events. Here you can see that Windows message left button double click. Here you can see that indicates double click of left mouse button. Therefore, this event we want, this message we want. Left button down, that also we want. And L, that is Windows message mouse move. This event also we shall write a routine. Likewise, right button Windows, this mouse right button double click, then mouse right button down. So 5 events we have added. 2 for the right button, and 2 for the left button, and 1 for the mouse move event. Okay, now we shall say okay. Now you can see that this wizard has added these 5 methods. Okay, these 5 functions it has added. Right, now whenever the left button double click in this method, now what shall we do is we shall initialize this string, this command line we shall delete, and now we shall say that yes is equal to, here I say that this one is, see that this is L button double click, therefore I say that this is left button double click. Okay, now I want to display this on the screen, therefore here we shall introduce a function called as invalidate. Okay, I will tell you what an invalidate is. Okay. Now same way, in the left, so I copy this, in the left button down, so here I paste the same routine, and here instead of left button double click, now it is down only, therefore it is left button single click. Okay, now likewise in the case of the mouse move we shall come later, and when the right button double click, therefore here we shall add that now this one is not left button, this will respond to right button. You can see on the here this one is right button double click, therefore right button double click I have included the appropriate message. And likewise in this routine we shall say that this one yes is equal to left button, this is only down, therefore I don't say this one is double click, therefore I say this one equal to yes. Okay, likewise for the mouse move event, what shall we do is, here wherever the mouse is moving, those things are recorded in a variable called as point. So C point. So this is a variable point of type class point. Therefore in my local variable P I put this point, and I say the variable S is equal to, or since I want to coordinate, therefore I say S dot format, I want to display the X coordinate and Y coordinate %d, and in this one P dot X I display and P dot Y display, and again I call the function invalidate. Okay, now I said that I will explain what is an invalidate. Whenever you say invalidate, this will call a special function here, onDraw function. So this function is responsible for writing or displaying anything in the view class, because it is in the view class. OnDraw function is used to write or draw anything, therefore we shall make use of this one. So this function has an argument called as class to a device context, which is of type address, and the variable name is pointer to a device context. Therefore here simply we shall write the value of yes. Directly we cannot write, we shall use this variable. The variable is pointer to a device context, therefore pointer to a device context. Here is function is there called as text out, and which X coordinate, something 100, then Y coordinate is 100, and what you want to write, I want to write yes. Okay, so now you save everything and now compile it. Oh my god, 3 errors are there. So here this one is yes dot format %d, here quotation I have added. Alright, then again you compile it. There is still one error is there, and still yes dot format %yes, and what is this? So here we shall write like this one, this yes dot format, F should have been capital, %d comma %d, and here in this P dot X comma for another %d I give P dot Y. Okay, now compile, 0 errors are there. Now you run this. Now you can see that this is the window, this is what my view class is, and here you can see that wherever I am moving the mouse, that is when the mouse is moved, the corresponding X and Y coordinates, this corner is 0, 0. Okay, and likewise here only the X coordinate increases and here Y coordinate increases. Okay, now when if I make a single click, left button click, this one is left button double click, right button click, and right button double click. This way we can respond to the mouse events. Okay, now instead of displaying these coordinates at this one, if I want that wherever I go there the coordinate should come, means instead of this 100, 100, what shall we use? We shall do is this in the OnDraw function, this what is my in the OnDraw function, instead of 100, 100, what shall we use? We shall use is that point P dot X, comma, and the P dot Y, and you write this one. Okay, now again save everything and build and run it. Now here wherever I am moving, corresponding the x and y coordinates are displayed, which is responding to the mouse event. Okay, remaining thing we shall see in next class. Thank you.